This short video will talk about levels on top of levels and what the trend is when one of those levels or both have been taken out. A level on top of level removal. Let's talk about that. We're gonna take a look at one chart on $CAD so we can see this scenario playing out live right now. So I wanted to create a video to expose this scenario and have a clearer mindset about what to do when they happen again. When we have a level on top of level remover, if a level is on top of another level very close to each other or touching each other, and the first one, only the first one is taken out, it doesn't mean that we have an opposing trend and we can go against it. We can go with it. We just have consolidation. Okay. We have to watch. A high time frame demand zone may happen to be at those levels, gain control, causing a potential reversal and or realignment. Don't trade against a level on top of level scenario where the first one has been taken out, just the first one, and we have an opposing one against control. Okay? Consider both levels as a whole and a single level, not just two levels. Because if we take out one level, then we will consider that we are maybe have a downtrend if we have a descending trend line. And most important, watch the bigger picture trend and higher time frame zones at those levels on top of each other. So let's take a look at the $CAD. Okay, here on the $CAD, we have a very clear uptrend on the monthly. Okay, monthly area of supply has been taken out. Okay, and this is the level that took that area out. And this is the pre-CP on the monthly created after the break of this area. So we have valley, another valley, etc. We have an uptrend, clear uptrend on the monthly, which is why I'm talking about watch the bigger picture trend and high time frame zones at those levels. We have that. So we have a clear monthly area of demand down there. We have an ascending trend line. Okay, so we have now an uptrend on the weekly. This is what we have: an area of demand, an area of demand, an area of demand. Okay, and here we have another area, rally-based rally, several CPs, and we have a rally-based rally consolidation away, and then price drops into the level of pins on the weekly. So we have a pin down on the weekly. Demand is being respected. We are in an uptrend. Okay, we are in a clear uptrend, monthly, weekly uptrend. So no reason to go short here at all. That's the first thing. Then we have a pin candle. We have to watch those patterns. Pin candles. Okay, hammer with a momentum, monthly, weekly uptrend. Okay, on the daily, this is the scenario we were talking about. Level on top of level. When this is what we have here. We have a rally-based rally. Okay, here, there, and then we have another one over there. So price drops here, retest the level, we expect bigger penetration, and that happens. Okay, it is respected there, as you can see, that low, then remove it, and then we have one level on top of each other. Okay, we have first level and we have second level, and now we have a descending trend line. So we take out this first level out, but we don't take out that one. That doesn't mean that we have a downtrend. Okay, doesn't. When, moreover, you have that high wave candle, then doji hammer, more than that, it looks like hammer, and then we have another one. Okay, another stronger hammer, creating for our area of demand down there. So what happens is that we have now here, we take out these one over there, level on top of each other. So we have a descending line down, and then we have another one down there, which is the origin of the whole move. So in these scenarios, we have a level on top of level on top of level. So this is the whole thing is a weekly area of demand, as you can see here on the weekly. There, over there. So when you see that a level on top of level, you could draw the level like that, okay, as well. Three really, and those levels are one of them is has been taken out, that doesn't mean that we are allowed to short in these areas, because we have the center line and one of them taken out. As you can see, the opposing one right there was not taken out, and it pinned from there, and then price rallied and reacted off that level. And moreover, when you look at the bigger picture, you have a weekly uptrend, weekly area of demand in control after taking out an opposing area of supply and monthly pre-CP long, a base in the market before my market probably breaks out above that area and continues the rally, like it did here, like it did there, or like it did there on the way down, on the way down, on the way down. So what I'm trying to say is that a level on top of the level removal, if levels on top of each other, very close, like in this case on the daily, okay, here. And the first one is taken out doesn't mean that we have an opposing trend. We have to analyze the high time frame demand zone or supply zone, which is at those levels, if any. In this case, that was. And then we have to look at price action, okay? And look at price action as well. Okay, we'll move this. Ancient pink candles, hammers, bullish engulfs at higher time frame areas. Okay, so this is what normally happens. We have to both read zones, higher time frame zones, potential zones, bigger picture trend, up, up, up. Okay, let's say we have an uptrend there, and then on the daily we have a clear consolidation. Okay, this is consolidation, and now I'm making a higher high over there, hopefully there. So this is doing nothing on the daily. So, and this happens normally, this kind of consolidation or accumulation at demand, higher time frame areas of demand happens very often. So that doesn't mean that we should go counter trend. Those could work. Yes, of course, they can work, but it is not the highest probability type of trade. This scenario is happening real time now. So I just wanted to show you why a level on top of level is not a good thing to take into account for discerning or assessing the trend. Okay, we consider this as a whole when they are close to each other or on top of each other, touching each other, as you can see there. So this is like a whole level by itself. Okay, let's see like that. We see it as a whole, as one single entity. Okay, and that happens to be, in this case, a weekly area of demand at a monthly pre-CP long with a monthly weekly uptrend and also a 3 months trend. Okay, so uptrend, low bias, watch these scenarios and levels, and be conservative in these cases. Okay, and if you have price action like this, then this tells you that this is not way going down. If this is taken out, then it could be a nice idea to counter trend all the way down, all the way down, but that didn't happen. Hopefully this clears up some of the nuances about level on top of levels and the trend. There are many, so this one just wanted to cover this specific scenario which is happening live right now on the LACAT. Have a great day, take care, bye bye.